Taking the time to create a blockout is an essential step of character creation in ZBrush. As a general rule of thumb, we want to nail down the shapes, forms, silhouette, and style of whatever it is we're sculpting, hair or otherwise, before we dive into detailing. Using the color guides we created in the previous chapter, we will now start creating a rough proxy of the hairstyle. One thing to keep in mind is that our hairstyle does not necessarily need to be pretty at this stage, but rather functional, as it basically serves as the groundwork for what we're eventually going to create. Before getting into the actual sculpting, let's go over a few do's and don'ts using one of my recent models. Do number 1, directionality. Understand the direction in which the character's hair is going. Know where the root and tip are located. This will allow you to better distribute weight, set the flow, and make the strands feel more organic. Number 2 is variation. Not all strands are born equal. Some are short, some are long, some are thin and some are thick, but no two are alike. Make sure to create variety in your shapes, even if it means a bit of extra work. Number 3 is silhouette. Don't be fixated on the tiny details. Look at the hairstyle holistically. Make sure it reads clearly from a distance and feels believable. Applying a flat material always helps. Now let's talk about the don'ts. The first one is wobbliness. Make sure your strands are clean and properly curved. Turn the model around and fix any wobbly or uneven shapes. Number 2, avoid repetitiveness. Duplication can save time, but you'll want to make sure each strand feels distinct. Don't number 3 is clipping. With so many hair strands positioned right next to each other, it can be easy to overlook mesh clipping. Make sure each mesh is clearly separated from its neighbor without any noticeable interpenetration. With all this in mind, it's time to finally return to our model and start working on our first hairstyle.